Hello everyone from the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today, I am gonna show you how to uninstall plugins in After Effects. If you're ready, the first thing you need to do is open Program Files. Then, open the Adobe folder. Open the Adobe After Effects folder. If you have more than one version of After Effects installed, open the folder for the version from which you want to remove the plugin. Then open the support files. Finally, open the plugins folder. Please listen carefully to this part. First, search for the name of the plugin you want to delete in this folders. If you installed a plugin in Adobe After Effects, the plugin file must be located in one of these folders. Once you find the plugin file, all you need to do is delete it. I will uninstall the QCA plugin as an example. As you can see, uninstalling a plugin in Adobe After Effects is that simple. I hope this quick and easy to follow guide video will be useful to you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.